This is the Sonic Plus 700 SL motorhome. It costs €91,000, and at Caravan Salon 2021, this is one of Adria's featured vehicles, and we're now going to see it in 3 minutes or less. It's got a range of 3 hobs. It's got its kitchen here with the sink and storage down there. In here we have the shower, and that is vis-a-vis the toilet, which is here. This closes there to keep people out who might be up front. There, nice big mirror, German layout at the back with storage all around, and the possibility of making an enormous bed by adding this cushion down there. A large seating group here with this rather attractive colour. Depends what you think it's doing. You might think it looks awful. Okay, you may think an awful looking colour if you prefer, whatever. I think it looks good. And there's a bed up there, and the bed will drop down once you put the chairs down. You've got to put the chair down like that, right, like that, and then the bed will come down. You've got here an enormous table as well. Here is a large fridge, 3-way fridge. There's space for a television. There's your electrics, and there is one of, I think, 5 plugs for shore power. That is your cassette where you move your sewage, and here is this enormous rear garage. Comes with a spare wheel, which is pretty handy should you have any problems with a flat tire. Right, back, straightforward, simple. That's quite good, because if you have any accidents, it means that the rear can be easily repaired. We have there more storage, and you've got your exhaust, your water, where you put the water in, fuel, and AdBlue. Sorry, right. Integrated vehicle, and quite attractive to look at, and that is the Adria Sonic 2021-2022 range featured vehicle at Caravan Salon 2021.